couple quick tips on switching out these tires. You're going to notice the placement for your jack is going to be on this cutout. Let's see if we can get a good angle of that. See this cutout here? Just kind of. So there's the cutout. There's your pinch weld, and that's where you're going to place your jack. On mine, we have a little rubber protector so that it doesn't damage anything. So you just want to line that up, and before you start jacking up the car, you're going to want to break these loose. The best way about going about it is you want to use your body weight to break these loose. So you're going to go ahead, put on your socket, and just lean into it counterclockwise. And that breaks it loose. Now we're going to do the same for all the others.